returning.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's Sommy here again. If this is your first time, make sure to click the subscribe button, and if you're a family member, thank you for always tuning in. Okay, so today I'm going to be making okpa. It's an igbo delicacy. Yeah, so I'm making it today. I'm making it with my sister's mother-in-law, so she's going to teach us how to make it. I've never made it before, so hopefully we make a good one. Okay, so we're grinding pepper now, fresh pepper. Okay, this is local delicacy. My sister is bounding it. Onika opane now. Guinea protein. Okay. Okay. So organic geji made the okpa. Okay. So quick backstory: okpa is made from bambara nut, which originated from West Africa. This nut is then grinded into powder form, which is what's used to make okpa. So dry. So make sure it's a dry pot.
Before you came, she put it under the sun for like an hour.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah, so she's already boiled hot water now. We don't know what it's for, but we'll find out. So now we're adding palm oil. So she's saying the water has to boil really well before we put it inside. Okay.
Just like when you're putting hot something inside.
Okay. No, it's like
enter inside.
Okay.
Let it blend very well.
Okay.
Yeah, that's been a plan. Okay, she wants to show the level of how hot
it should be.
Put it inside here, yes.
Okay. It's already smelling like okpa.
Yes. You see now, she's saying it's time to be done. Come on.
So she kept on adding hot water into the mixture and really mixing everything together. The hot water remained on fire, and we would scoop it out and add it in. She said it's important for the water to be hot and it shouldn't cool down. So we just scoop it out directly from the hot pot and put it in. So guys, I'm sure you can see how smooth this looks. So she said you have to make sure there are no seeds, there are no crumbs per se. You know, when you're mixing stuff, you have to make sure this is very smooth. Make sure there are no clusters, nothing of any kind. So keep mixing till everything is smooth. You add enough water so the okpa isn't super hard when it's ready.
Tight.
Okay.
Returning.
My okpa. My favorite okpa. So we have to turn it, guys. So the other side will done.
Another stop.